Outranking competitors on Amazon requires first pinpointing 3 to 5 true rivals selling nearly identical products as you. Search your main keyword and ensure results are highly similar offerings as yours. Next, categorize keywords into groups. High volume terms relevant to your product, unique selling proposition terms that set you apart, and precise, highly related phrases indicating direct competition. The third critical step is relentlessly tracking your keyword rankings against those top competitors. By continuously monitoring, you can quickly capitalize on new opportunities you suddenly rank for by optimizing listings and bids. In summary, identify real competitor products, strategically segment keywords, obsessively track rankings, and take swift actions on insights gained. This three-step approach of competitor research, targeted keywords, and vigilant tracking will provide the visibility needed to outperform your rivals. You'll understand exactly how you stack up and can allocate resources to overtake comps in the rankings.